Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
All good, how are you?
Good, good. You ready for this power run?
Oh, yeah.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Right then, young man.
Yes.
You tell me what mods you got.
So, I have got Team Lawrence boots.
Yeah, I see them. I see the video.
Yeah.
There's a good video.
Yeah, they're great.
Yeah.
I've got Ecutek discs at the front and the back.
Yeah.
The front are just Jacob grooves.
Sure, sure.
Red EBC, they're red EBC pads.
Yeah, red stuff. Yeah.
I haven't got any engine mods at all.
Okay, so we're running standard, which is okay.
Yeah. The silent, the exhaust is actually started completely standard.
Yeah.
But the silent system is
Okay.
makes it sound that much nicer.
Yeah.
Just trying to think what else. There's Brembo pads at the back, but I mean.
What fuel are you running in it?
What fuel?
Yeah.
Alright, so V-Power.
V-Power.
Yeah.
Okay.
V-Power.
Well, that's going to give us a good start. We'll see what she makes on the dyno.
Yeah, indeed. Hey, we want to be as rich as Richard Boys. That's
He's talking about being rich. Well, his name's Rich. The moment of truth. Well, there she is. Well done, Joe. No mods other than a back box delete. 201 brake. Not bad.
Life moves pretty fast.